Hello everyone, I hope everything is moving on well. In today's tutorials, we'll be learning about math operations. So we'll be doing that in Python and also in Julia. So for example, if you want to calculate a math operation, let's say if you want to calculate a square root of something in Python, you can just do something. Python is, you are supposed to first of all import math. Then after importing math, you can be able to do any math operation that you want to do, especially concerning square roots, root and all those stuff. So you just do math dot square skrt, then you put into bracket whatever value you want. So let's say you want to put 49, it's going to read it at a 7. And also do the same thing, math, let's say square root, let's say 81 9. So this is how to find it. In Julia 2, you don't need to just import anything, it's already straight away. So you just go with square root then 49, it just print it for you. The same way you can do the same thing, square root then 81 to print it for you. That is easy for Julia. The same thing can be done for if you want to find the cube root. In Julia, you just start again with a cube root, then let's say a cube root of, let's say 21. So it's going to give you this value. It's quite simple, but in Python you can't, I don't think we have anything like cube root. There's nothing like cube root here. You don't have cube root, but there's another format you can do it. Either you do it like you put it into a variable. So for example, let's make it like this number, and I'm putting this number as 21. Then I'll make it in such a way that it will be like number, then I'll raise it to the power 1 divided by 3. If you do it like this, it's going to give you totally different number. Let's try and see. See, like it has given us this value. So this is how it can be done in Python. Another way you can also do it is, this is Python 3.5, but in Python 2.7 you have to do it like this. You have to make it like in the form of a float, something like this, before it will actually give you the full numbers. So this is one way you can do for square root in Python. Okay, so let's check hypotenuse. You want to check hypotenuse in Python, it's having a different format. The same way, so you have to first of all import mass, and after importing mass, you just do mass dot hypot. So hypotenuse is usually if you want to calculate what do we call it, Pythagoras theorem and all those stuff. That is this formula, a squared plus b squared. So you just put any value here. So whatever value you want to put there, you first put the b and then the a to give you the a. So for example, let's say 12 and then say 15. So it's going to calculate it for you. So going through the long process of c is equal to, then you put the square root and then you put all those stuff. This is quite simple for us. In Juliet you can also do something similar. In Julia it's quite simple. You just enter hypot, then 12, then 15, add the values, and it calculates it for you. You can also do the same thing for logarithms. If you want to do logarithms in Python, it's the same thing. You just go straight away as math.log, then whatever log you want, maybe log 10, then let's say 100, hope it works here, 2. In Julia, I just go straight to the point, log 10 to bracket 100, and it's going to give you the same value. So the log can be done in several ways. You can do log as numerous as you want. Another way you can also do in Julia is like, you can make it like log, then to bracket whatever values you want. So like the base and then the other one. So let's say log 10, then 100. So you can do the same thing. This format can be done as this. Okay, and then these are the basic math operations. These are the more advanced math operations. Yeah, other ones are quite simple. The plus a plus b, which is quite simple. All these ones are quite simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contributions, or comments, you can put it in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and then please don't forget to subscribe.